How to connect Wix to Square. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, let's show you how you will be able to connect our Wix websites over here to a Square or to Square, which is a payment platform. So first things first, navigate to the site that you want to connect Square to. For example, we have our site over here. We're simply going to click on select site so we could open the dashboard. In the dashboard, we're going to navigate to the section where we were able to connect and install different apps into our store or our site over here. Since Square is an external application, we would go over here under apps, click on app market, and we're simply going to search for Square in the app market over here. After that, you will be able to see all kinds of apps related to Square, as you can see here. And we have here Square Payment button or Square Pay button. We could also try and add it under our settings where we are able to actually modify our payment methods. We are also able to add it into that section. So somewhere over here in the accept payments or getting paid, you could set up Square as part of the payment method or the payment process that you prefer. So that's basically it guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.